Lively Learning for Kids.
Episode 5. Our plan for today.
1. Math. We will be learning how to compare numbers.
2. Words workshop. We will be doing some spelling and matching.
3. Science. We will be discussing a common question.
4. Fun activity. We will be learning how to draw a bird.
1. Math.
How to compare numbers.
In our first example here, we have a group of stars being compared with another group of stars.
Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3 stars comparing with 1, 2 stars. 3 is greater than 2.
And that is the sign we use for greater than.
In our second example, we have a group of metals comparing with another group of metals.
Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3 metals compared with 1, 2, 3 metals. 3 is equal to 3.
That's the equal sign. In our third example, we have a group of cameras comparing with another group of cameras.
Let's count. We have 1, 2, 2 cameras, which is compared with 1, 2, 3 cameras. 2 is less than 3.
That is the less than sign. Math practice.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure out by comparing the numbers.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
8 is greater than 2.
9 is equal to 9.
8 is less than 9.
12 is greater than 7.
10 is greater than 4.
8 is equal to 8.
4 is less than 5.
And 15 is greater than 5. 2. Words workshop.
Fill in the gaps to write the correct name of each number.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
5 is spelled F-I-V-E.
8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T.
And 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E.
3. Science.
Common question.
What are mammals?
What are mammals? Facts.
Mammals do not lay eggs.
Mammals have hair or fur.
Mammals are warm-blooded.
Humans are one example of a mammal.
Not all mammals live on land. There are some animals, like whales and dolphins, that live in the ocean.
Put each animal in the correct place.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
For a mammal, we got a moose, a bear, and a fox.
For birds, we got a flamingo, an owl, and a penguin. Place the correct animal on the star.
Pause the video here and see if you can figure it out.
We're back and we'll be going over the answers now.
For snail, we got the first animal.
And for panda, we got the second animal. 4. Fun activity.
Draw a bird.
First, draw a head.
Then, draw a body.
Third, add 2 wings.
Fourth, add 2 eyes and a beak.
Fifth, add feathers on the head.
Sixth, add 2 feet.
7, add 2 eyebrows.
And the last step is completely optional, which is to add a heart. Vocabulary.
Compare.
And mammal.
Compare means estimate, measure, or note the similarity or dissimilarity between.
Mammal means a warm-blooded vertebrate animal of a class that is distinguished by the possession of hair or fur. References:
whimsyworkshopteaching.com for the How to Draw a Bird,
slidesgo.com for the slides theme,
google.com for the vocabulary,
and giphy.com for the math gif.
Thank you!
Have any questions?
You can email us at livelylearningforkids@gmail.com.
Or you can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids.
Are you looking for extra practice?
You can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids.
You can also find more about us,
all of our videos,
extra practices,
and any frequently asked questions. Make sure you like our video,
share our video,
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!